Dr. Alan Chen. And Dr. Chen is on the show right now, actually. Dr. Chen, how are you today?
Hey, Maddie, congratulations on your new show, man. All the best, really. We need a show like this where you're going to get behind the scenes of show business, and you're going to be honest, right? You're going to come out and just tell people what it's really like to struggle in show business, and a lot of funny backstage stories, a lot of sexy backstage stories, and get celebrity guests on, and wannabe celebrities, or even, to me, funnier than regular celebrities. You know what I'm saying? Because celebrities have an image that they have to keep up. But you, man, you are going to put us there behind the scenes of people who are struggling to make it, and then maybe with some people who have sort of made it, and people who have made it, and how they got there. You know, and I know it's going to be funny. I know it's going to be sexy. I know it's going to be a lot of fun.